180 grams.
180 grams?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, perfect!
Qualities no more.
Okay. Wow, a la class, man. It's okay.
This one?
Shit. Uy, no say bad words, man. Nice. Oh, very good.
Very nice.
So the other one, just separate the trimmings. Put all trimmings on one side. Arrange nice.
Nice and sexy.
Nice and sexy. Always when you conduct training, just
Okay.
then one more side.
One more side.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's check how many grams. It's okay, but you can trim a little bit. Remove the bones. That's the belly part. Now it's okay. A la class, man. One more. It's good. Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
So how many portion of cod you take in one piece?
6 portion.
6 portion?
180 grams.
180 grams.
Yes.
And the total this one weighs or trimmings,
Is
bones, including bones, skin. How many grams?
this one is
It's 480 grams.
Yes.
And this trimmings,
Trimming
480 grams. Trimmings, because you can use this one for the
80 grams. 180 grams.
180 grams trimming. So this one is including one portion, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Smile, man. All right. That's it, chef?
Yes.
Okay.